Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add music to your Canva video invitations. So first open Canva and select the video invitation template you want to edit. For example, I'm opening my now. Here you have to look at the left hand toolbar and click on the audio tab. Now, here you can explore, there are so many audio tracks available. If you have Canva Pro, then you can use the Pro ones available. If you don't have it, just click on Music Free, and there are a lot of videos you can use for free. For example, I'm taking the hip hop song, so you just have to drag it and drop it to the timeline and you can adjust it according to the size of video. And after that, if you wanted to increase the volume or decrease the volume of the audio, then you can just slide the sidebar and you can adjust it. Once you are done with that, click on the play button to preview it. And once you are happy with preview or your invitation, then click on the share button to download it. And that's it, your Canva invitation video is ready with music to make it extra special. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.